In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect ChatGPT in Airtable, a step-by-step guide. This is all about using the native Airtable app inside ChatGPT. Launched in December 2025, this integration lets you securely query and update your Airtable data without leaving the chat. It's perfect when you need quick insights, summaries, or even content drafts based on live data, all from a single conversation. First, install the app. In ChatGPT, open your settings and head to the Apps section. Search for the Airtable app and install it. The setup will guide you through a quick connection flow. If you don't see apps in your settings, make sure your ChatGPT interface supports apps and that you're signed in with the correct account. Next, connect your bases. You'll go through an OAuth authorization process, which means you'll sign in to Airtable and decide exactly what ChatGPT can access. Choose the specific bases or workspaces you want to use. It's a good idea to grant only what you need. Start with a single base if you're testing, and you can expand later. You can always adjust or revoke access from your Airtable account or from the app's settings in ChatGPT, giving you control over data visibility and permissions. Once connected, you're ready to start chatting with your data. In any conversation, type the /command Airtable or pick Airtable from the tools dropdown. Then describe what you want in plain language. Be specific with base and table names, and reference fields clearly, especially if your tables share similar names. You can ask it to retrieve records, summarize updates, or make changes, and ChatGPT will use the Airtable app to perform those actions with the access you granted. Here's an example you can try. Using the product launch base, draft a pre-read for my executive meeting using all the latest updates from the roadmap table. With that, ChatGPT will pull the relevant updates from the roadmap table and assemble a clear, structured draft you can copy, refine, and share. If you need edits, just reply in the same thread. Ask for a different tone, a shorter summary, or to highlight blockers and deadlines. To recap, install the Airtable app from ChatGPT settings, connect the bases you want through OAuth, and start using Airtable or the Tools menu to work with your data. Keep your prompts precise, reference exact base and table names, and limit access to only what's necessary. That's all you need to seamlessly connect ChatGPT with Airtable and get real work done faster.